Sky with doors are Quranic verses describing a real cosmic event. Sky with gates, a real possibility. Sky with doors are Quranic verses describing a real cosmic event. Sky with gates, a real possibility. The Quran presents several verses that describe unusual phenomena in the sky during Earth's final period. One verse in Surah An-Naba, 78:19, states, "And the sky will be opened and will become gateways." For centuries, this verse was viewed as purely eschatological. But with modern discoveries in cosmology, atmospheric physics, and particle theory, a new interpretation is emerging, one that aligns closely with dark matter, dimensional physics, and the Earth's atmospheric structure. It explores the idea that the ozone layer acts as more than just a UV shield. It could be playing a critical role in isolating Earth from dark matter and higher dimensional influences. If this protective barrier collapses, as parts of it already are, it could allow dark matter to penetrate, triggering phenomena akin to gateway openings or dimensional breaches. This is not science fiction. This is a scientifically plausible theory grounded in astrophysics, quantum theory, and real environmental observations. What is dark matter and where is it? Dark matter makes up 27% of the universe. It doesn't emit, reflect, or absorb light, and it does not interact with normal matter electromagnetically, which is why we can't see it. However, we know it exists due to its gravitational effects on stars, galaxies, and light paths. Key characteristics: invisible and undetectable by traditional instruments. Passes through planets and stars with minimal interaction. Likely exists in a halo surrounding galaxies, including our own Milky Way. May be part of a hidden sector governed by forces beyond the standard model of physics. String theory and hidden dimensions. In modern theoretical physics, particularly string theory and M-theory, the universe is not limited to 4 dimensions, 3D space plus time. These models propose 10 or 11 dimensions. Our observable universe is a 3-dimensional grain embedded in a higher dimensional space. Some particles and forces, like gravity, can move between dimensions. In this model, dark matter could exist in other dimensions or be part of a parallel reality that occasionally intersects with ours under certain physical conditions. The ozone layer, Earth's atmospheric boundary. The ozone layer is a fragile but vital part of Earth's stratosphere. It filters out harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, protecting biological life. However, it may serve another function, maintaining dimensional stability. If dark matter flows through the universe and Earth is embedded in that flow, then any collapse or weakening of the ozone layer could potentially allow external forces to interact more directly with Earth's environment. Weak points in the ozone, gateway zones. We already know that the ozone layer is thinner at the poles and has experienced seasonal holes due to man-made pollutants like CFCs. These weak zones are not just environmental risks, they could be points of least resistance where dark matter can begin to enter Earth's atmosphere in detectable ways. Imagine this process. Earth orbits through dense regions of dark matter in the galactic cable. As it moves, dark matter constantly passes through, unnoticed. In weak spots in the ozone, subtle interactions or disturbances in spacetime may begin to appear. These could resemble gateway-like events, temporary openings into adjacent dimensions or hidden sectors. What if the ozone layer fully collapses? If the ozone layer deteriorates globally, Earth would be left exposed to high-energy radiation, unstable magnetic field interactions, increased exposure to exotic particles, including dark matter flows. Under such conditions, the planet's protective barrier is gone. Not just against solar radiation, but against external dimensional forces and cosmic scale phenomena. This situation could result in permanent, open gateways where the physical structure of space becomes unstable, localized distortions in time and gravity, access points to parallel realities or higher dimensions, as string theory suggests. These events would closely resemble the doors in the sky described in ancient texts, now interpretable through the lens of advanced physics. Are there signs already happening? Some scientists and researchers have pointed to localized atmospheric anomalies, strange magnetic readings, unexplainable light columns, plasma disturbances, unusual gravitational effects near certain regions of the Earth, increased cosmic ray penetration in areas with ozone thinning. These may be early-stage indicators of interactions between dark matter and Earth's atmosphere, especially in weak ozone zones. Global collapse equals planetary transition. If the entire ozone layer fails, due to pollution, solar flares, or unknown cosmic factors, Earth could face a phase transition. In such a transition, the laws of physics as we know them may begin to shift. Gateways may appear in multiple regions. Earth's connection to higher dimensional spaces could become active. This would not be metaphysical, it would be a physics-based transformation, in which dark matter and other dimensional forces become active in our physical reality. Conclusion: not just a theory, a direction of research. What began as a Quranic description of the sky opening with doors, now mirrors cutting-edge discussions in theoretical physics and astrophysics. As our understanding of the cosmos deepens, it becomes increasingly likely that Earth is constantly immersed in dark matter. The ozone layer may be a stabilizing interface between our world and others. Its collapse could unlock interactions that reveal hidden dimensions or sectors of the universe. While this remains under investigation, the signs are aligning, both scientifically and structurally. What was once described in religious scripture as an extraordinary future event now appears to be a realistic scenario rooted in observable physical principles. This video is brought to you by The Lost Archive of Islam. Subscribe now to rediscover the signs before the end.